How to remove suggested posts from Instagram feed. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So if you've been getting a lot of suggested posts on your Instagram feed, you will have basically two options. The first one is for individual posts, click on the three dots at the top right corner and a pop-up menu will appear and you will have the option that says not interested. So it will remove that posts only. However, if you want to remove all of the posts at once, you can click on the Instagram icon where there's a drop down at the top left corner of your screen and click on following, and this will show you only the posts from your followings, or you have the second option, the favorites. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the suggested posts on your Instagram feed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.